Hello everyone, welcome back and very happy new year to you all. I know many of you are complaining that I'm not uploading video regularly and I don't have any satisfying answer because it's not nice to say I'm busy. So I'm just occupied with full-time job, children, household work, little bit dancing. But I promise I will try my level best and upload videos as much as possible. So today I'm going to show you a very popular and very simple and it's very healthy dish. You can use this as meal idea for lunch or dinner. Even for breakfast also you can use that. And this is very popular in South India. But nowadays even North and East India also people are taking it. So this is basically curd rice, which we call yogurt rice also. But I'm going to use very simple ingredients and also one fermented seeds, which will make this dish very healthy. Like it's very good for your gut health because we all know that the curd or the yogurt is full of good bacteria, lactobacillus. Just make sure that you are using the homemade yogurt. If you are not able to make at home, then you can buy the yogurt with live cultures. This dish I'm preparing as lunch for my daughter. She's going to come soon from school. So I will not add lots of spices. I will add very simple ingredients. But if you are an adult and you want to make it spicy and tasty, you can add green chilies, raw grated gingers. It will make the dish more flavorful and also very tasty. Going to use very simple ingredients. Generally, it's very common to use a hing or what we call asafoetida. But since my daughter will be eating this, so I'm not going to add hing. So after ensure that the oil is hot, little bit hot, then I will add the red chili, the whole red chili. I will not cut it so that it will be not very spicy. And then the mustard seeds. And I'm also using cashew and raisin and urad dal, what we call black lentils, just to give a very nutty flavor. And curry pata, this curry leaves is very flavorful and it gives different flavor to the rice. So curry leaves is must. We'll fry until it's golden brown and then we'll switch off the gas and let it cool down. Here I have taken freshly cooked ponni rice. Ponni rice is very popular in South India. But if you want, you can use basmati rice or any leftover rice. And I have taken the homemade yogurt with the whey also so that the yogurt will be a little bit liquid. Because if you want to mix with the rice, you need little liquid. You can add milk also, but I have not added milk here. So I'm just taking the whey to help to make it liquid. Just to ensure there is no big lumps. So basically you can use other vegetables also, but my daughter doesn't like carrots, so I'm not adding carrot here, but you can add grated carrot also. So I'm just using the grated cucumber. This dish is very light on tummy. It's very easy to digest. But in case you are giving to a sick person, you can also mash the rice a little bit and then you can mix the yogurt. So I'm using here Himalayan pink salt. That's the best salt you can use if you are like very conscious about healthy ingredients. And after that I'm going to add the fermented chia seeds. If you are not very sure how to ferment chia seeds, I will put the link below in the description and you can follow that recipe. And I have only used around 1 spoon chia seeds, so I will mix it up with the yogurt rice because the chia seeds has its own benefit, and also since it's fermented it's more healthy with good bacteria. Even the yogurt also have lactobacillus, good bacteria. So now I'm adding the tarka, the fried nuts and leaves. We just want to ensure that every ingredient we are using is at room temperature, because we don't know at what temperature the bacteria get killed. So it's better to avoid anything hot adding with the rice. So here you have very simple, very tasty and probiotic rich lunch. You can also use rice flakes instead of rice. If you are not very fond of rice, you can use rice flakes, what we call chira.